I gonna do ya now? NEWLINK and the attack now. Bling a old trendsetter. NEWLINK.
Bless up my people. You don't know so NEWLINK there and from NEWLINK production. So right about now people you don't know so the big thing are going over China they know with the virus something they know people. Well, if anybody never know, we have Jamaican students and Jamaica people who live in China now people and them a cry, them a beg for come home, them a beg the government for let them through, make them come, and everybody if they never know, you know, so Jamaica kind of stop all flight from China. We are coming to the country right now until 14 days until things kind of get look better or something, you know what I mean, which is really risky to let those flight from China in our country because people, we can't trust nothing out of China right now, not even they close them, you get me? So right about now people, let's go play a little clip, you know what I mean, audio clip with a student from China in a conversation with the Minister of Foreign Affairs people and thing because she says she's a student at the university in China and she want to come home and she beg them to take her home. So we're going to play it and then NEWLINK will tell you for part of views toward this whole thing if them to take her or if them to keep her over there. So you don't know the thing of people, we're going to see what them have to say. You understand and got you.
The reason why I'm here is because I'm pursuing a bachelor degree in protected agriculture science and engineering at the Anhui Agricultural University. I am not even worried about my health. I am worried about my life. This is how scary this thing is. This is how deadly this coronavirus is. I no longer care about how much my health is, but merely my life.
Thought I'd just reach out to let you know that you're not only in our thoughts and prayers, but we are trying really hard to find the ways to best help and support you.
Citizens want to leave China as fast as possible. We want to leave. Nobody wants to stay. We all want to leave because this is a death and life situation. It has gotten so bad that you don't have to be in contact with me for me to get the virus. It is so easy to catch a virus right now. It has gone to second mutations to show you how much it has been widespread. We want to go home, Jamaica. We don't want to stay in China. We don't want to stay in China.
I've reached out to international partners to see what assistance could be provided, if any. Second, we, the government of Jamaica, we're assessing what's in our capacity to do for you. And third, we're also asking for your understanding that the arrangements for evacuations or transport, those have been special arrangements negotiated by countries with large, strong health systems and with their own airlift or national airlines. And they have negotiated their arrangements understanding that the official WHO guidance and the Chinese government guidance has been to reduce the risk of spread by reducing travel.
We're begging the Jamaican government, come together by whatever means. Send for your Jamaican people, send for your nationals, because it is not pretty, my Jamaican people. It is not pretty. It's a very scary situation. We are willing to go in isolation. We are willing to go through the proper quarantine processes, but nowhere is safer than Jamaica. We want to come home.
We have not forgotten. We're not doing anything. We're doing our best on this side, but we're asking that you continue to support each other. You continue to follow official information, that you try to stay calm. I know it's tough, but reach out to each other, a conversation, a sharing of experience, a kind word, a little bit of advice shared among yourself who understand best what's happening on the ground. I'm sure you'll help each other.
Truth be told, reassurance and guidance cannot help us at this time because this is a death and life situation. The government is not proactive as well. They have to be proactive. The truth be told, we are not Chinese. We are Jamaican citizens, and it is a government. It is a government that is supposed to look out for their citizens. It is the government that is supposed to take out their people out of such crisis. The reason why I'm here is because I'm pursuing a bachelor degree.
Jano, people, Jano. Wow, boy, that one a tough in NEWLINK, you know. It's tough because we have a situation where we have Jamaican national in China cry out. You understand? So they want to come home. And we have a situation where we have millions of people at Jamaica. And in the end, we want to protect our citizens them at Jamaica. we don't really run the risk we go send nothing to China, and next thing anything can happen. You understand? We understand what she say, should we go through the process of whatever them do them tests and everything for ensure so them good and fit to come through still. You get me? Boy, wow, people, to be honest, is sticky, because in the end, people, me have to really think about the millions of people at Jamaica, you know, that are the main part where I'm really thinking about, you know what I mean? Our children, them in Jamaica, our adults, them old people, young people, that are the main part when NEWLINK I think about, and serious to God, people. Me don't want to run a risk with my people at Jamaica. You get me, I say? Me understand what, alright, I don't know if, because this thing not all over China, we understand. China is very big. Billions of people over China. You get me? And to be honest to God, people, me don't want the risk right now. Me understand their family, I want them, yes. But the risk, when me have to think about people. So, I don't know what measurement, as to what the traveling minister of here, she deal with that really good people, but you don't have to think about Jamaica as well. I don't want measurement they can hold off in China and keep them somewhere where them know secure, or where you don't know people, them are black people. You don't know you can't even trust certain people nowadays. You know what I mean? Boy, they want to stick it on it, because in the end, people, I just have to worry. Yo, I don't want so me I wish dead upon the body, and I love to see the body lose them life. But people, in a situation, people, instead of make this thing come at Jamaica and come kill off how much people at Jamaica and spread at Jamaica people, you better stay over China. I just say truth. You better stay over them, you understand, people. But me have my family back at Jamaica. We have how much me can't run them risks there now, people. I can't. You understand? So, whatever measurement the government can take, please protect the citizens of Jamaica. Please stop them flight there from coming to Jamaica from China. Please bar them up until them fix this thing or get down this thing. Because you see how much country have travel ban on China. This thing is really serious. And if she attack how serious it is, people, just imagine, you know, think about what she is saying. She's saying you don't have to come in contact with the person to catch this kind of virus thing. So just imagine. So, easy things you can't bring it come down there, are they, you know what I mean? So, in the end, people, we have to think, and, you know what I mean? And honestly, you can't work for me right now. Me can't risk my people in life at Jamaica. No, sir, you're mad. But, you don't know a thing of people. NEWLINK there, man, and I give thanks to life, as usual, on a daily basis, people, and...
What them a go do, you know? NEWLINK and the attack now. Bling a old trendsetter. NEWLINK.